Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Nur Izazi Farzana binti Muhammad Nasir. I'm 17 years old. My weight is 55 kilograms. My height is 151 centimeters. I'm studying in SMA Al-Ahmadiyah Al-Ijtimaiyah Bukit Mertajam, Pulau Pinang.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Darus bin Din. I am 60 years old. My weight currently is 76 kilogram. My height is 162 meter. I am a former police officer.
Balanced diet that I understand is different kind of food, that certain quantities that you need to eat enough protein, carbohydrates, fats, fiber, vitamins and minerals.
I understand about balanced diet is a diet that contains different kinds of foods in certain quantities and proper proportion, so that contains calories, protein, minerals and vitamins. To get the nutrition, you need more of your daily calories should come from fresh fruit, fresh vegetables and others.
Healthy daily menu is we need to get protein, carbohydrates, fats, fiber, vitamins and minerals. For me, at lunch, I always take little rice for my carbohydrates, boiled fish for protein and apple for fruit. Vegetable I like used to be snack at night.
My daily diet starts with 2 glasses of white water and some kind of cereal. At lunch time, I always take a balanced diet menu that contains rice, vegetables, fruits, and some protein like fish. On dinner time, I always make a pasta with some vegetable that I used to be salad. This is a great way to me to keep.
We need balanced diet because it can improve your mental health. Getting the right mix of nutrients can help to ease symptoms of depression and anxiety. It's also good to our skin and hair because in balanced diet we only eat healthy food that not contain any toxic.
Why we need balanced diet? Because it can prevent us from dangerous disease like diabetes, stroke, high blood pressure and other. It also can help you control your weight. Most people at some point want to lose weight or gain weight.